play that was called The Bird of Paradise, and it actually was very popular. The song traveled all over the world, but its roots actually came, thinking of the vaqueros who came and brought the guitar here in the 1830s. It had the Spanish roots to it, so you can kind of hear that a little bit in the music. And as I mentioned, I'm going on this trip to Venezuela, and there's similar influences there with the Portuguese coming into Venezuela, the Spanish influence there. So it's going to be really fascinating to go and share culture, share ideas with the people there. We're going to go to Caracas and then to Santa Margarita, an island off the coast there. So I'm excited to go, and I'm going to be safe and stay indoors a lot, you know. I'd like to dedicate my performance this afternoon to two very dear friends who passed away in the last week. Great Hawaiian artists and guitarists from the islands, Chino Montero and the Reverend Dennis Kamakahi. So my prayers go out to their families, and they're in my thoughts right now. And with that in mind, I'd like to do a song that I often played with Dennis, and it was written by Queen Kapi olani for King Kalakaua when he passed away. And it was actually first written for his journey to San Francisco, and then the last verse of the song talks about Nalani. He's moved on to Hele Loa. Nalani Hele Loa. He moved on to the heavens. And it's a song called Ipo Lei Manu. And I got to do a recording of this with Dennis, with Amy Hanaili'i singing, and it was really tears in the studio when the two of them were together. They put so much emotion into the song. So this is for Uncle Dennis. Mahalo, thank you. Song for Dennis Kamakahi.